Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy, I like your style. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your chillest analyst. Today we're going to talk about the transfer news that Orlando Pirates has made in the few days. One of those signings that Orlando Pirates made is Sipho Mbule, guys. Sipho Mbule is a big signing that Orlando Pirates have made. It's actually what I want us to talk about today. So I don't know what you guys think about this Sipho Mbule and Orlando Pirates signing, but me as an individual, I'd say I think Orlando Pirates in the past few seasons we saw that they play a really good football. They are so professional, but it looks like they need a number 10. They don't have a number 10, someone who can play in a position where maybe Thembi Nkosi was there, or maybe if they convert Relebohile Mofokeng, yeah, they normally play Thembi Nkosi at first and also Relebohile Mofokeng. Now they're using Tito Graham as much as they can win the game using Tito, but yeah, Tito is not really that engine, but he's also talented. But I think the master chef, he can make things happen for Orlando Pirates, especially in that position, because we know that he's a very talented midfielder. He's arguably the best midfielder in South African league. So yeah, there are just complaints about his behavior and off the field, and so that's the only thing that maybe it makes the boy to lack that thing that says maybe he can play for a big team. But I mean, Orlando Pirates, guys, with their style of play, with their discipline and the philosophy of trying to build professional discipline from the youngsters, guys. Pirates, they use youngsters more, and that's where you should build that discipline. So yes, guys, I think Sipho Mbule will be disciplined in the Orlando Pirates camp, especially if now they're going to take him to go in Spain and play with other in that Spain preseason friendlies. So I think if they can take Mbuli and go maintain his behavior, guys, I think it would be a very, very good potential influence for Orlando Pirates. So I think this appointed new coach of Orlando Pirates is doing a very good job. Yeah, by bringing Mbule. I think Mbule is a big signing, guys, because we know that the boy is talented. He just needs to be showed there and there how he's supposed to deal with his behavior, guys. But I think overall he's a talented player, and I think we all do mistakes and we learn from our mistakes. So I think in the Orlando Pirates camp, Mbule will be more influential, guys, because we know Orlando Pirates, they don't have it. They do not have it at the number 10 role. They don't have the number 10 role. And that's when we were struggling there, especially, we can see that Tito was trying, and he was arguably the best player. That shows that if we can get a better number 10, that means we're going to dominate, Pirates can dominate the league. So if Mbule is going to be disciplined and he's going to do the right thing, then Pirates will be on the positive side. And you must check that Orlando Pirates, they also want to play in Club World Cup, and they also will be in the CAF Champions League. So that's why they are boosting their squad, because if you can check the super talented players, it's like Orlando Pirates, it's like they are rebranding, they are changing each and every thing about their players. They sign quality players, if you can check, and youngsters as well. So it shows that this season Orlando Pirates, they are going to do something that they have been willing to do or wanting to do, guys. So we'll wait and see. But Sipho Mbule, guys, Sipho Mbule, Yeah, he's the guy that Orlando Pirates just signed, and we know how Sipho Mbule is, guys. We cannot. I think that's why he's breaking the internet, because I mean Sipho Mbule is a very talented one, guys. So I never thought Orlando Pirates would go for Sipho Mbule, but I mean there are interviews there. The new coach, talking about how he likes Sipho Mbule and his style of play. So I think there's a link up there in there, guys. I think we'll see next season, guys, and we'll see in the pre-seasons when Orlando Pirates get to Spain. I mean, we need to watch those games when Orlando Pirates show us who they are. When they show us that who they are and how they're going to line up coming to the next season with their new players. Because I remember in the Spain pre-seasons last season, that's where we saw Patrick Quito Maswanga. He was doing his things there in Spain against those teams in the pre-season friendlies. That's where we started seeing him in the Orlando Pirates jersey. After Orlando Pirates bought him from Super Sport. So yes, guys, I think also the Sipho is coming with good news, guys, because we know that Sipho Mbule is a very, very talented boy. So I think Sipho Mbule, guys, is a good signing for Orlando Pirates. So we thank Mike Markup for making that announcement that Orlando Pirates signed Sipho Mbule, guys, because Sipho Mbule, he will be he's that hope. He's giving me that hope. I'm excited for him, actually. So we'll see the flavor that he has, and I hope the coach plays him. And we need results. We need results if we have players like Sipho Mbule, and I mean, we need results, guys. If we have players like Sipho Mbule and Aboyane Lambuthuma, Khositsile, and Morelebule Mofokeng, Mohankota, like there's a lot of them, a lot of them. So I don't see Pirates not winning MTN 80 and all those cups. You can name them. So we'll see, guys. But we'll see. I just think that this is a good signing. So I don't know what you guys think, but you can just share with me in the comment section, guys. And thank you guys for making me the channel to have 500 subscribers. Please continue supporting the channel. Thank you, guys. Let's take it to 1000 subscribers. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for a chillest analyst.